If you have heard about RSI indicator, definitely it is the same as MFI indicator, money flow index. The money flow index is like a brother to RSI indicator. So by the end of this video, you'll know what is MFI indicator, which is money flow index, and how to use it, and best settings, and how to find buy and sell setup using it, which you can see it on your down of the screen. So let's start by defining what is money flow index. This money flow index is a technical analysis indicator. It is simply an indicator that allow traders to follow the money. So the money flow index measures the flow of money into and out of an asset by analyzing both price movements and trading volume using a scale of 0 to 100. It helps traders identify potential reversals when reading reach extreme levels or diverge from price actions. Okay, so using money flow index indicator, traders can know whether there is buying or selling pressure in the asset. Also, MFI helps deliver overbought or oversold signals, and it is a largely volume indicator. Okay, so rather than doing all the calculation, when you come to a trading view, you will find that all the calculation, all the hard work has been already done for you. So your work will just to plot the MFI indicator into a chart. This one here, from this one down here, is the MFI indicator. So after knowing the MFI indicator, we want to know the key levels and how important they are to our chart. So the first thing, we want to know the basic usage. We'll be determining overbought and oversold levels. So the first thing, we want to plot an MFI indicator to our chart. When you go to your chart, come here above to a trading view, to indicators tab, search money flow index. Money flow index. There you are. You take the first one, money flow index. There are a lot, but you take the first one, money flow index. We naturally come to your chart. So on your chart, the MFI will look like this. Let's make it come big in our screen. So there are two main important levels, which are 80, this 80 here, and 20 down here. And the third one is this 50, which is called a mid level, or a center line. As you can see it here, it is a center line. Okay, and this 80 is the upper line, and this 20 is the down line. Okay, so the theory is this: when the MFI reading is above 80, 80 is here. When the reading is above it, or when the price come above it, like this one, you can see the price has gone above it. It means that the market is overbought, and that sellers will come into the market soon. As you can see, the market went to overbought, and then sellers came and took control over the market. Okay, and if the reading is below 20, it means that the market may be oversold. As you can see from here, the market came here, meaning that the market is oversold, and buyers may be coming into the market to push the price up. You can see here, the market is below here, which means that the market is oversold, that the buyers may be coming into the market soonest. Let us now look at how we can use the money flow index to take our trades. Remember that money flow index indicator is a leading, not a lagging indicator, which means that it gives you signals before the real market make the move. Okay, but another thing you must know about money flow index, you can't use it alone. Okay, you must use it with the other confirmation. So first, let us see when the market is overbought, how the market will react. Here, if you mark this line, it gives you the first signal around here. Okay, the market, it shows that the market is overbought and that the sell signal is coming. As you can see, if you can combine it with a divergence tool, example, you can see that the market was going down. The MFI indicator showed you that the market will be going down, but it diverge with this here. This one is going up, okay? But this one is going down. But when the market was going down, the MFI indicator gave us a up signal. If you see this divergence, the price is making higher highs, but the MFI is making lower low. Okay, this is warning you that the market trend is coming to an end, and maybe it's the time to sell. Okay, that is a bearish divergence. Okay, another signal here to plot here, it gave you a sell signal around here. Okay, which means that the sell setup is coming to an end. Then the market took a small sell around here, small sell. Then there was no oversold around here. The market continued the consolidation state before coming around here to give us an oversell signal. As you can see around here, the market is below 20, which means that the market has already oversold and it's time to look for buy signal. Okay, so you can see it gave us an early signal, which means that this indicator is a leading indicator and it gave us a leading signal. So the market came down, still came down, then it changed the direction to move up. You can see here. So this indicator, it shows first before the market makes a major move. So you can use it as a divergence, as I showed you around here. It's a divergence, as I showed you around here, which signals you that the ongoing trend is ready to end. So this was just a small topic, and you cannot use the money flow index indicator on this one. You must have confirmation. Like if you are a day trader, you can use money flow index with RSI divergence. This one, this tool. Also, you can put your RSI indicator into your chart, get the signal. If you are a swing trader, you can use the money flow index with trend line break. Trend line break, like here. Maybe the trend line was around here, then it break, then you see the divergence around here, means that the ongoing trend is ready to come to an end. If this video helped you understand the money flow index, subscribe for more trading lessons and live market breakdowns. This is ZL Trades, and I'll see you into the next one.